Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new video. So friends, today video is about black long heels. So few items in the world of fashion can claim the iconic status that black long heels hold. Their enduring popularity isn't just due to their visual appeal, but also their symbolic representation of empowerment and style. This dark blue hue exudes an air of mystery and sophistication, making it an essential for any fashion forward individual. While they might seem universally loved now, the journey of heels has been intriguing. Once worn by men in the 16th century for practical purposes like horse riding, heels underwent a gender transition, become, becoming a beacon of female fashion by the 18th century. The black hue added gravitas to the design, making it an instant classic. Despite their elegance, black heels challenge the wearer. The balance, posture, and stride needed can be daunting, but with the right fit and practice, they become an extension of oneself. The confidence they bestow upon the wearer is palpable, making them more than just footwear. Over the decades, designers have experimented with the design, introduces myriad variations, from the classic pump to the daring stiletto or the comfortable block heel. Black heels cater to very aesthetic. So, black heels have left their mark not just in the annals of fashion but also in pop culture. Mastering the art of walking in these heels, however, is a journey. Fashion trends may come and go, but the black heel remains untouched by fleeting fancies. Their appeal lies in their chameleon like ability to adapt. From minimalist designs to these festooned with sequins or lace, there is a style for every individual. The allure of black long heels is unparalleled, steeped in tradition yet forever evolving. These shoes captivate with their blend of sophistication and sensuality. Black, often associated with formality, combines with the audacious height of the heel to produce a shoe that boasts commanding and chic. So, in the end, I will say that black long heels are not just a fashion statement, they are an experience, a journey through history, style, and empowerment. So, friends, I hope you like this video. Please give this video a huge thumb. And if you want more videos on these very beautiful shoes, please let me know in comments. I will see you.